He's back. After so many weeks have passed, we're back with the dish machine, and gonna film this loud as a celebration to being back to the videos. So, you got the Bosch dispensing system, automatic dispenser. I've just refilled the salt today. Let's do the alphabet first. Some of these things have been here ever since we left the house, by the way. So excuse if someone's dirty. These two are new. That's mine and that's mine. They're both brand new. We've also got a brand new cup there. It's the same one as this, but this one belongs to me, this one belongs to the family. But yeah, you get an idea of what we're washing. You get an idea of what we're washing. Yeah.
Is this your iron?
We've got a grater over there. It's a Poundland's grater. And in the middle part, we've got a little cigarette container. And this plastic, whatever it is, it might be a jug or something. Very slim cup. Then a very small but fat mug. And then here we just got some more cups. Yeah, I got some. And the spatulas in here. Fit very snugly. Ooh, got trouble here. So about the camera, guys. There you go. Lower rack. Got 2 cups. A lid off this pot. Pot full of pasta, which we scraped off. There it is. Few plates. Big plate I ate off. Had tomato sauce. Small plates. 2 pretty greasy trays. And one more thing. This is freshly done bowl. Mind you, I'm gonna have to put in. There we go. Let's get the tablets now. Tablets. I always store them, in my view. This is a surprise, so I'll show you what tablets I have chosen. So after the Mosons, you just saw it. Yeah, after the Mosons, new edition, which we finished before we went to Poland, we now got some very original all-in-one. Let's try it. Not that I only used it once.
Dad, I see a spider jockey.
What?
I see a spider jockey.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, no.
Here we go. Pick one tablet. There it is. First, when we place in a tablet, spray them check up. Ooh, I think we've got trouble on our hands. That's better. Spins. Low back. Spins. And then we put this right here. We'll do the same cycle. The 65 normal. Works best with us for some reason. Started. Look at that. We're gonna get a new air freshener. It's the same one, but you know, it's Finnish. Recommends Finnish. Blah blah blah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down on what you thought of the video. I will see you next time. See you for tonight.